Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to take one problem on Gauss divergence theorem using spherical polar coordinates, that is use of spherical polar coordinates. So problem is evaluate double integral over s x cube I bar plus y cube j bar plus z cube k bar dot ds bar where s is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 16. So we have to evaluate double integral over s f bar dot ds bar. So we know that by divergence theorem double integral over s f bar dot ds bar is equal to triple integral over the volume v del dot f bar into dv. So from this we can write f bar is equal to x cube I bar plus y cube j bar plus z cube k bar. So we have to evaluate this double integral. Okay, so for this double integration we have to solve triple integration, and for triple integration what we want del dot f bar, and therefore del dot means first we have to find here del dot f bar, then put the value of del dot f bar here and then try to evaluate this triple integration. So what is del dot f bar? Del is, we know that del is I bar dabba by dabba x plus j bar dabba by dabba y plus k bar dabba by dabba z dot f bar a x cube I bar plus y cube j bar plus z cube k bar. So what is this dot product? This is equal to, we know that coefficient, this is dot product is the multiplication of coefficient of I bar j bar k bar. So this is dabba by dabba x of x cube plus dabba by dabba y of y cube plus dabba by dabba z of z cube. So what is derivative of x cube with respect to x? That is 3x square. Derivative of y cube with respect to y is 3y square, and derivative of z cube with respect to z is 3z square. So we can take 3 common here. So 3 into x square plus y square plus z square. So this is the value of del dot f bar put in 1, means put in the statement of divergence theorem, and therefore double integral over the surface yes f bar dot ds bar, we know f bar is, that is x cube I bar plus y cube j bar plus z cube k bar. So f bar dot ds bar is equal to triple integral over the volume v del dot f bar. So what is the value of del dot f bar? That is 3 into x square plus y square plus z square into dv. So dv is here dx dy dz. Okay, now we have to solve this triple integration. So how we solve this triple integration? 3 constant I take outside integral. So 3 into triple integral over v x square plus y square plus z square into dx dy dz. Now how we solve this? For solving these problems, S is the surface of sphere given A and S is surface of sphere. So here V is volume of sphere. V is volume of sphere. Which sphere given A? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 16. So using spherical polar coordinates of sphere. So what are the spherical polar coordinates? We know that if sphere is given, then spherical polar coordinates are x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y equal to r sin theta sin phi, z is equal to r cos theta, x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square, dx dy dz is equal to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Now complete sphere given a x square plus y square plus z square equal to 16. So radius of this sphere is 4 here. So r varies from 0 to 4. Theta varies from 0 to pi. And phi varies from 0 to 2 pi. So using this limit and this substitution, we can write given integral, that is double integral over the surface s f bar dot ds bar is equal to 3 into integration of r varies from 0 to 4, theta varies from 0 to pi, phi varies from 0 to 2 pi, x square plus y square plus z square. So what is the value of x square plus y square plus z square? If we use this substitution, then after simplification we will get x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and dx dy dz is r square sine theta dr d theta d phi. Now here all limits are constant, so we can take integration at a times is equal to, write down terms of r separately, theta separately and phi separately. So r square into r square is r raised to 4 into dr. Then theta varies from 0 to pi, sine theta d theta, and phi varies from 0 to 2 pi d phi. Okay, so we know the integration of r raised to 4 is r raised to 5 upon 5. R varies from 0 to 4. Integration of sine theta is minus cos theta. Theta varies from 0 to pi, and integration of d phi is 5. Phi varies from 0 to 2 pi. Now put here upper lower limit and simplify this. So if we put upper limit here, r is equal to means 3 by 5 into 4 raised to 5 minus 0. Here minus cos pi minus minus plus cos 0, and here this 2 pi minus 0. Okay, so after simplification, this is 3 into 4 raised to 5 upon 5 into this cos pi is minus 1 minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1 into 2 pi is equal to 3 into 4 raised to 5 into 4 pi means 4 raised to 6 upon pi upon 5. So after simplification we will get here answer 12288 upon 5 pi. You calculate this using calculator. So next problem is use the divergence theorem to evaluate. So next problem is use the divergence theorem to evaluate double integral over s y square z square I bar plus z square x square j bar plus x square y square k bar dot ds bar, where s is the upper part of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 above the plane XOY. S is the upper part of the sphere, means hemisphere given है. S is the upper part of the sphere above the plane XOY. Hemisphere means example is helmet, that is upper part of sphere given है above XOY plane. So suppose this is XOY plane, so S is the upper part of the sphere, means this part is given है, this S part given है, and this surface is say S1. Okay, so what is the equation of this circle in XY plane? Sphere given है x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9, but in XY plane z is 0, so here the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 9, that is section of sphere. Simply यदि स्पीयर को कट किया तो सर्कल फॉर्म होता है. तो ये जो सर्कल फॉर्म हुआ है, हेलमेट का नीचे वाला पार्ट जो होता है वो सर्कल है, उसका इक्वेशन क्या आएगा इस स्पीयर से? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 9 आएगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पर प्लेन कौन सा है? जेड इक्वल टू 0 है. ओके, so for solving this problem you have to use again divergence theorem. So to apply the divergence theorem, consider the closed surface S, means consider this closed surface S bounded by the plane surface S1, and plane surface S1 means that is the plane of circle x square plus y square equal to 9. Okay, so by divergence theorem then, by divergence theorem we can write here triple integral over V, means bounded by the volume V, del dot f bar into dV. There two surfaces are there, closed surface S and open surface S1. So total surface क्या आएगा? डबल इंटीग्रल ओवर द surface S f bar dot n cap into ds plus double integral over the surface S1 f bar dot n cap into ds. This is equation 1. means divergence theorem क्या होता है? total surface is equal to volume of that. Okay, so total surface here, surface S and surface S1, ये दोनों की addition क्या आएगी? It's volume. Okay, so for solving this what we want? We want double integral over the surface S f bar dot ds bar. So from this we can take f bar is equal to y square z square I bar plus z square x square j bar plus x square y square k bar. Okay, so if you take f bar equal to this, then f bar double integral over s f bar dot n cap into ds means we want this is equal to triple integral over v del dot f bar into dv minus this. Okay, so for solving this integral, first we have to find this triple integration and then this double integration. So for triple integration we want del dot f bar. So how we write del dot f bar? That is I bar dabba by dabba x plus j bar dabba by dabba y plus k bar dabba by dabba z dot y square z square I bar plus z square x square j bar plus x square y square k bar. So what is this dot product? Dabba by dabba x of this, that is 0, plus dabba by dabba y of this, derivative of z square x square with respect to y is 0, plus dabba by dabba z of x square y square, derivative of x square y square with respect to z is 0. So del dot f bar equal to 0. And if del dot f bar is 0, then the value of triple integral is, that is triple integral over v del dot f bar into dv equal to 0. यदि del dot f bar is 0 है तो इसकी वैल्यू 0 आएगी, यदि ये 0 आया तो इससे हम लिख सकते हैं therefore डबल इंटीग्रल ओवर द सरफेस एस f bar dot n cap into ds plus over the surface s1 f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to 0. Okay, so what we want the value of this integral, therefore double integral over the surface s f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to minus time double integral over the surface s1 f bar dot n cap into ds. This is equation 2 say. Okay, so solve any one here. So we suppose if we consider here for surface s1. Now what is s1? S1 is this surface, lower surface है, lower surface है तो इसको negative z axis perpendicular होगा. So for S1 n cap is equal to minus k bar. For S1 n cap क्या आएगा? Minus k bar. And what we want f bar dot n cap. Therefore f bar dot n cap is equal to f bar is y square z square I bar plus z square x square j bar and plus x square y square k bar dot minus k bar. This is the value of n cap, so is equal to minus x square y square. So f bar dot n cap is minus x square y square, and therefore double integral over the surface s1 f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to double integral over the surface s1 minus x square y square into dx dy. Why we take here means the value of f bar dot n cap is minus x square y square, and we have to take ds is equal to dx dy. Why we take ds is equal to dx dy? Because s1 lies in xy plane, so is equal to minus sign take outside integral double integral over the surface s1 x square y square dx dy. Now how we solve this double integration? We know that S1 is the circle, which circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. and यदि सर्कल है तो हम डबल इंटीग्रेशन कैसे इवैल्यूएट करते हैं? यूजिंग पोलर फॉर्म. जैसे लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में स्फेरिकल पोलर यूज किया था फॉर स्फीयर, सेम फॉर सर्कल, बिकॉज हियर S1 इज circle x square plus y square equal to 9. So using polar form of circle, x is equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. dx dy क्या होता है? dx dy होता है पोलर फॉर्म में r dr d थीटा, एंड x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर आएगा r स्क्वायर. ओके, so circle है x square plus y square equal to 9. So radius of circle is 3. So r varies from 0 to 3 and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so how we solve this double integration? Then put here is equal to, therefore double integral over the surface S1 f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to minus r varies from 0 to 3, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर है, सो एक्स की वैल्यू थी आर कॉस थीटा, सो आर स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, वाई स्क्वायर क्या आएगा आर स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, एंड डी एक्स डी वाई आर डी आर d theta. Again here limits are constant, we can take integration at a time, so r varies from 0 to 3. Terms of r square r raised to 4 into r is r raised to 5 dr, and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi sin square theta into cos square theta d theta. Now we have to evaluate this integral. Is equal to minus integration of r raised to 5 is r raised to 6 upon 6, r varies from 0 to 3. And how we evaluate this integral? Limit is 0 to 2 pi sin square theta cos square theta is, we have to use conversion formula here. M and n both are even, so 0 to 2 pi sin raised to mx cos raised to nx can be written as 0 to pi by 2, 4 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta cos square theta d theta using conversion formula is equal to minus 3 raised to 6 upon 6 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, into 4 times. Now we know that reduction formula integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to mx cos raised to nx is m minus 1, means ये m है ये n है, इससे ऑड नंबर सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है हमें 2 minus 1, सेम n से ऑड नंबर सब्सट्रैक्ट किया तो 2 minus 1 अपॉन दोनों के एडिशन m plus n, it is 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4 minus 2, okay, into last term is pi by 2 because m and n both are even. So this is minus, after simplification, 3 to the power 6 is 3 cube into 3 cube, and we know that 3 cube is 27 into 27 upon 6. This 4 get cancelled, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, upon 4 in minus 2 is 2 into pi by 2. So after simplification, this is minus 243 pi upon 8. Okay, so this is the value of double integral over the surface S1 f bar dot n cap into ds. But our question was double integral over the surface S, means we want this, so put in 2, and therefore equation 2 becomes double integral over the surface S f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to minus time double integral over the surface S1 f bar dot n cap into ds, so its value is minus 243 pi upon 8 is equal to minus minus plus 243 pi by 8. So this is the final answer. Thank you.